Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw a Minecraft version of the M.U.T.O. Now, to start off with this, we're going to begin with the head. So starting right here, I'm just going to draw a nice little diagonal line like this. Then I'm going to draw a little line that goes down and then over, and then we're just going to go up just a little bit. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes over, and then I'm just going to make a line that goes down. Then we'll make another little angle line like this. And then we'll just make a little line that goes over. A lot of little angles. Then you just want to make a line that goes over, and then it's just going to go up like this. And that will kind of form the mouth. Next, I'm going to put two little lines right here. And then I'm going to connect them. And then draw a little diagonal line. And then one that goes up here. Now, we're going to jump up here real quick. And starting here, we want to make a nice long line. So I'm just going to start here and make kind of like a long diagonal line. And then I'm just going to make a line that just goes down. Then right here, I'm going to make another line that goes out, and that's just going to go down as well. Now, right here, I'm just going to add a little line that goes over. And then I want to make the arms. So starting right here, I'm just going to make a line that goes down like this. And then I'm going to draw one that goes down here. And then when we get down here, you want to make a line that goes over just a little bit. Then I'm just going to go up. And then I'm just going to come up like this. Now right here, I'm going to make a little line that goes over, and then a line that goes down. One right here, and then one that's going to go down here. Then right here, we're going to go over, kind of go straight down, and then just connect it here again. Then I'm going to make this line go down, kind of skinny. I'm going to go over, and just going to go up and over like this. Then I'm just going to kind of go over and then down. Now right here, I want to make a little small arm. So I'm just going to make two little lines that go down. I'm going to connect them. And then two more little lines down that are connected. I'm going to make a line here and one that goes down, little line there. And then just a little line that goes over here. Then I'm going to draw another one here. So I'll do two more diagonal lines that are connected. Two more lines that go down that are connected. Then I'll draw another line here, one here that connects. And then this one I'm just going to make kind of go down a little bit more, kind of like it's extended. Now right here, I want to make another one of these big arms. So starting here, I'm just going to draw a line that just kind of goes down. And then I'm just going to make another line that goes down here. And then I'm going to draw a line that goes over and then up. Then starting here, I'm going to make a line that goes down. It's going to connect to here. Another one that goes down. And then I'm going to go over. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes over, down, and over. Then we'll go right up to here, and then back up this way. And then I'll just connect it here. And then I'm just going to make a little line that goes over and down. Now, starting right over here, I'm just going to draw a line that goes down. And then I want to put another one of their little legs over here. So I'm just going to make a little rectangle shape like this. And then I'm going to draw another one going down here. We'll add a little line that goes down, farther down and connects, and then same thing here. And then I'll make this one a little different. I'll draw a little line that goes up and over, go down, and then come back here. A little three-dimensional part there. Just to make it a little different from these. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that goes down, and that's just going to come over like this. Now, starting here, I want to put one of the little back legs. So I'm going to draw a little line that goes down and up, and then another one just to connect here. Then I'm going to make a little line that goes down, and another little one that goes down. Then just a little line across. Then I'm going to make a little line that goes down here to here, and then one that goes down here and then connects to here. And then I'm just going to add a little line like this, line that goes down and up, and then over and up for the little foot. Just because they have these kind of weird shaped legs. So now, starting up here, we want to add some of the different details up here. So I'm going to take this line, I'm going to go up just a little bit, and then I'm going to draw a little diagonal line that goes all the way to this point right there. Then I'm going to take this line and just draw it right up to here. And then right here, I'm just going to make a line that goes down, and it's going to go up here for the eye. Then right here, I'm just going to make a line. It's going to curve just a little bit and kind of come down to this corner here. And then I'm just going to make a little line that goes here, and then just a little line that goes over here. Just kind of give it a little bit of like that geometric look. Then right here, I'm just going to add a little line, kind of show where the tongue is. And then I'll add like a little line across here, little line over here. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Minecraft version of the M.U.T.O from Godzilla. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.